back. I need to get this ball. Well, guys, what is up? I've already told you this. What's Bailey doing?
Did you see Bailey? She was jumping.
For real?
You don't know her? She was jumping.
Oh, but guys,
It's Bailey.
I'm here with my friend. I'm here with my friend. What's Bailey doing?
She was jumping.
What was Bailey doing? What were you doing, Bailey?
She was jumping.
What were you doing?
Wait, hold on.
What were you doing? What were you doing? What were you doing? What were you doing? Oh no, Bailey's gonna climb up a tree. Bailey, is Bailey or is Bailey peeing? Oh, Bailey! Bailey! I need you! Oh God! Guys, I almost stepped on the mushroom like the second time.
Guys.
No!
No, film it. Film.
Guys, what the heck? Look at Bailey! She's on the tree!
She's a wall climber.
What did you just say?
Also known as the tree climber.
Oh, and guys, wait guys. Batiste, can you come over here? And also check on this guy's channel.
Overwatch is the best. Well, I don't know.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
She's just going in circles. Dude.
What the heck? What the heck are you doing?
Introducing?
I don't know.
Oh my God. What's your name? So forgot about that.
Ugh, I hate you, cat. I'm just kidding.
What's your name? What's your name? I still forgot.
Oh, what happened? Oh my,
Camilo.
oh my God.
Camilo's
Oh
already
my God.
What?
Oh gosh.
Camilo's already what?
Oh gosh, guys.
He's not here.
Oh my God. Gee, nothing.
I know.
I am. I'm filming. My gosh.
No, but the fact.
Come on. Come on. Come on, cat. Come on, Tammy cat.
Wait, what's Bailey's secret food?
What is Bailey's secret food? She climbed up the tree.
Food.
She climbed up the tree.
It's nothing. Oh, she jumped off.
Oh, there.
She came in. She's not coming in.
Oh God, oh God, oh God. What do you got you, Bailey? Bailey!
This is a game of trying to catch the thief.
Okay.
The thief.
Okay. We caught the thief. We caught the thief. We caught the little thiefy. We caught thiefy.
Should we play the murder mystery? Murder mystery?
Murder mystery?
Yeah. This just turned in instead of.
Okay, but guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. No. Why?
If it will be the
But dude, if this the little thing right here, if it gets all the way to 100, I can't film anymore. I'm ending it.
Oh, God. Smoothies, guys. Okay.
Oh, what are these?
Smoothies.
No.
Dude, it smells super good.
Why? Let me see. Wait, guys, look at the smoothies.
Hold on.
Look at this, guys. Let me film the smoothies.
Okay, film me.
Look at the smoothies. They're so smooth.
Yeah.
Wait, let me try this.
Dude.
I'm fine. Hold on. Try it.
And what was that Pokemon? I think I know what Pokemon you were trying to catch. Ghastly.
No. I already have a Ghastly.
Yeah.
Yes, all three of them.
I have all 3 ghost type
Gengar.
Pokemon.
Me too. I have like 3 Gengars already.
Nice. You have a Pikachu.
Oh, but guys, look at these smoothies.
Raichu.
They're so good.
Raichu.
I have a Raichu, right?
Like
the smoothie.
Executor.
Like the smoothie and give
Drink
them-
it. Drink it.
Ew, ew. No, guys, wait. Actually, guys, taste the smoothie. How's it taste? How's it taste?
Guess it. Guess what it
Wait,
is.
guys, guess what it is in the comments. Guess what it is. Guess what it is. Guess what flavor this smoothie is.
I think it's strawberry.
You guessed it wrong. I'm just kidding.
Just like
It's
It's here.
it's like something like strawberry and pineapple, and maybe kiwi.
I think I know.
Yeah,
it's
there's some green in there.
No, it's plug your ears, okay?
Oh, there was mosquito.
Plug your ears.
Plug your ears, guys. Plug it.
Plug them. It's strawberry mango broccoli.
Okay, guys. Did you hear what it is? Good, you guys didn't hear. That's what
If
I
you
like.
did, cheater.
If you guys guessed it was strawberry mango, you guessed wrong. You take the mango out, and it's a strawberry. It's strawberry. It is strawberry.
Wait, film him. He wants to be in the video. Do you want to be in the video?
Yo.
No?
Just
I don't
kidding.
want to be in the video.
He's shy.
Why not?
Then how come you don't want to be in the video? How come?
It's okay. It's okay if you don't want to be in the video.
Just stop. But dude, wait, dude, I got some on my glasses. I got like, wait, dude, hold the phone. Hold the phone.
Masterpiece.
Wait. Oh!
Complete masterpiece.
Wait,
Dots.
okay, give me.
Damn it! Are you unbeatable?
Okay. Look at my brother just drinking Meowth. He's drinking Meowth.
No, I'm drinking Pikachu.
Now you're drinking Peaks. Now you're drinking the Pokeball. Now you're drinking Pikachu. Now you're drinking the Pokeball. And now you're drinking the
What are you
Pokemon.
drinking?
Now you're drinking the Pokemon's logo. That's the logo.
It's so,
Okay,
so good.
I'm gonna end it right here. So,
It's not even past 10.
Who cares?
Okay.
You can end the video if you want, Ryan.
I don't want past 12.
Wait,
Okay.
what level are you on in Pokemon?
whatever.
24.
Jesus. Okay, but guys, I'm gonna end the video.
to get 24.
I'm gonna end the video right here. Check out my brother's channel. And check out his channel.
About
Hey,
And check out mine. You already seen it right here. But now I'm gonna end the video right here. Bye.